Hey guys, we received this EZClicker Samsung replacement TV remote for test and try. So this is compatible with Samsung TVs. As you can see, this is a Samsung TV and I can easily control the volume up and down and the channel. Simple remote, only on off volume and channel things. So you can easily use it. So great for the elders and the kids. This requires two AAA batteries that is not included. So this is simplified and easy to use. So it's a big button, so great for the elders and compatible with all Samsung TVs where the no programming is required. So you can see the quality wise is good and of course like the big buttons as you can see. So I will just add in the batteries and then show you that how this is working. But it's a simple like volume, channel, on and off, mute, and then this is a Samsung TV that I have, and you can see like I can easily able to control the volume, but this is as a streaming thing. So the channels things are not working, but you can see like it's responsive. But it's overall it's a really nice remote.